This exercise is called a bent knee fall out. We are going to be moving our one knee at a time to the side, having it fall out to the side, and then returning back to the starting point. You will notice that I roll onto the side of the pinky toe side of my foot and then return back. The goal is to not have my pelvis shift as I do this, to have the movement come from my hip, which will put some length onto our inner thigh muscles, and then ask them to contract as we return to the starting position. From the side, first thing, we're going to check in with our pelvis position. Then we're going to connect with our breath. My feet are roughly the same width as my hips, so I'm not like straddled or together, a nice like neutral position. Check in with your pelvis. Make sure we're not tilting or tucking. Nice and neutral. We're going to connect with our breath. Inhale. Let your pelvic floor relax. Exhale. Slight Kegel. Imagine drawing your hip bones together. And repeat. Notice if you want to clench your glutes while you do this. And then what you need to do to let that tension go. On our next inhale, we are going to let our knee fall to the side. And as we exhale, we're going to return to the starting position. And if you, like me, on that first rep, had your pelvis shift all over the place, reconnect with it. I'm putting my base of my hands onto the bony parts of my pelvis, and I'm going to use that as a tactile feedback to see if I'm shifting. Something that you may notice your body doing is wanting to have your other leg counterbalance you. Try to minimize that happening. If you are struggling to do this for whatever reason, sometimes some tactile feedback can be really nice. So you can go up against a wall or up against your pole, if you're by your pole, like I am, very gently contacting the non-moving leg, and we're going to let that other leg fall to the side and then come back. As a reminder, we're inhaling as it goes down and exhaling as it returns.